Rems. Yo, from a little and I grow. Sunday school's one place I always used to go. Granny used to say, chapter a day, keep the wicked away. Listen, let me tell a couple story I know. From a little granny grow me in the Bible. Satan slew by the archangel. Listen, let me tell a couple stories I know. From a little granny grow me in the Bible. Satan gets slew by the archangel. And Judah Alpha ruled this until Shiloh. From the days of Sarah and Abraham, all back in the days when time just began. In the times of Eve and Adam, build a little union, man and woman. Pair a good wife and husband. Breed a couple pitney, I feel more than just one. Trunk in my structure, see me function. Reproduce to the father and son. King David and Solomon. I feel tan firm in this a Gideon. Rasta man, and when I print a religion, just take it to my story and listen to my song. Whether believer, non-believer, Jew and Gentile fall before the deceiver. Text sitting at your head just like Delilah. When I like them, girl, never trust them neither. Listen, let me tell a couple story I know. From a little granny grow me in the Bible. Satan gets slew by the archangel. Listen, let me tell a couple stories I know. From a little granny grow me in the Bible. Satan gets slew by the archangel. And Judah Alpha ruled this until Shiloh. Whole lemons in the belly of the well. Cause we know say righteousness ever prevail. We never hide them, we're not afraid of them. Walk like a champion in the lion's den. 400 years sat down by the rivers of Babylon. We never yet shiver and quiver. All workers of iniquity are fall, brick by brick, as if a Jericho wall. Got my fate, and I never lack it. Even when my brother sold me for my Technicolor jacket. The beast of the field going 2 by 2. And 2 angels slew all who forget slew. The whore of Babylon, they are in a high hill. Wrestle with the most high, crossroads on Pine Hill. Reveal the 7th seal unto I and I. Return with the stone tablet, Mount Sinai. Listen, let me tell a couple story I know. From a little granny grow me in the Bible. Satan gets slew by the archangel. Listen, let me tell a couple story I know. Oh, oh, only Jah know. From a little granny grow we in the Bible. Satan slew by the one Michael. And Judah Alpha ruled this until Shiloh. Couple story I know. Couple story I know. Satan gets slew by the archangel. By the archangel. From a little granny grow it in the Bible. Yeah, granny grow it in the Bible. And Satan gets slew by Judge Michael. Yo, and until Shiloh, oh, oh. Rex, Raggle, Zulu, Rebel, Jaja Messenger, the God MC, alongside Bobo Rems on a higher reverence. Listen, let me tell a couple story I know. From a little granny grow me in the Bible. Satan gets slew by the archangel. Listen, let me tell a couple story Jah know. Oh, oh, only Jah know. From a little granny grow we in the Bible. Satan slew by the one Michael. And Judah Alpha ruled this until Shiloh.